Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2016 Harley-Davidson TRIGLIDE Ultra Classic with 35,659 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a fairing insert, windshield trim, and a luggage rack, and comes equipped with a multifunction 4-speaker stereo system, navigation, cruise control, reverse, and CB intercom connections. Powered by a 103 cubic inch V twin engine with a 6-speed transmission, the TRIGLIDE offers dependable power with 100 foot-pounds of low-end torque on tap. If you're looking for a powerful factory trike with classic styling and comfortable amenities, the TRIGLIDE would be a great option. It has a seat height of 27.1 inches and a dry weight of 1,204 pounds. This vehicle has received our premium service in detail and comes covered under a 90-day nationwide warranty. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.